Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
This is hard to believe, but the government gives back. It's very hard to believe, but the government, they do give back. And that's the reason why we've got First Republic Mortgage Bankers in studios who works very closely with the government to help a lot of individuals. My name is Squeeze, once again, right here on Link Up Radio 93.5 FM. I've got none other than Tony Shafiq, the big man, the man with 25 years of experience in the business. I think I should let him talk for a little bit before I open up the phone lines right here at Link Up Radio. Tony Shafiq, sharp as usual with the Armani suits and the Ferragamo boots and all of that stuff, and the nice tie. How's everything, man?
I'm doing good, Squeeze. I'm doing great. At First Republic Mortgage Bank, it's doing tremendously well.
As usual.
As usual. And to our folks, enough love and enough respect. Mm-hmm. However, you know what? If you do a good deed, it doesn't have to be monetary wise. It could be physical things you can do.
You
call it charity. Right. So any good deed you do out there will compensate you. It's a kindness, and even it's a good consultation. Consultation you do to one of your clients out there or to a friend who need you in that profession that you are skillful in. Even as a mechanic, you give that person a good advice. That's something good and that's something kind. Mm-hmm. And at First Republic Mortgage Bank, we display total humility and courtesy to clients out there. So when you listen on the airways and you see here a lot of jargon being expressed, which is inaccurate out there, especially about the government-backed loan. First Republic Mortgage Bank has been a direct lender for 13 years on the government-backed loan. Mm-hmm. And the government-backed loan support all you lovely folks out there who are struggling with a low credit score, who are struggling right now to even make a mortgage payment, because the government-backed loan offers you a great, attractive rate on a refinance at 5.875. And there are no other programs can give you a mortgage if you have a 500 FICO score or a 480 FICO score and up to a cash out of 95% at the same time. There are no programs across the board that will even do that. Even if they try to give you a mortgage on that scenario, your LTV, which is your loan to value, it has to be about 75 and less, and your rate of interest is about 8.5 to 9%. So on the government-backed loan, what you save there on rate, more cash out, and more flexibility, because they will accept you folks out there with poor credit or no credit, even bankruptcy in the past. And we have been a direct endorser of the government secured loan for 13 years as a direct lender. So we are a direct lender when it comes to mortgage financing. And when you come to other loans at First Republic Mortgage Bank, the 100%, yes, it exists. I can tell you it exists at First Republic Mortgage Bank.
Can I interject there?
Yes, sir.
By the way, for the folks out there who would like to get that 100% financing program, all right? I am telling you, ask as many questions as you want, everything, all right? And we do have multiple loan officers right here in the Link Up Media building. Why not call and ask about it right now? It exists in this market. The number is 718-325-5555. That is the off-air number. Yes, we would like to speak with you privately about your situation. And every single individual that's listening to Link Up Radio, remember, your situation is unique. That's the reason why we have more than just government-backed programs. Give a ring to the studios. Speak with Tony Shafiq. Speak with Neil. 718-325-5555. Even if it's just to be informed by this bank. Go ahead.
Absolutely. The consultation is free. And when you want loyalty to customers, you're listening to the individual right there. I represent you. I care about you. And you know what? Your financial problems at the ending of the month, you are the one that have to pay your financial burden. And to relieve yourself of financial responsibility, call First Republic Mortgage Bank, because we have this great program, which we call a government-backed loan, 95% LTV. We can incorporate every single debt that you have, your children's education, you can take out money for that. You have a timeshare, you have a second mortgage, you have a multiple amount of credit card bills, which is overburdened right now. It's such a heavy weight that now you are dreaming of it. And it's becoming unhealthy for you. And you need a healthy program with no prepayment penalty, 95% cash out of the loan to value, and at the same time, it's a fixed, fully amortized loan. First Republic Mortgage Bank, we can offer you such a program which is healthy for the entire community. The consultation is absolutely free. So give us a call right now. You can talk to yours truly, the mortgage doctor, 25 years of experience in this business. That is quarter of a century. And you know what? Not too many people has that number of years of experience. And not only the experience that goes with it, is loyalty and displayed with integrity to you, the listeners out there. I care about the community that I represent.
Folks, his name is Tony Shafiq. I can let him speak a little bit more, but we need to get to the phone lines. You know, and I want to apologize because right now the phone lines are all locked. Before you go, Tony Shafiq, I need for you to help me wrap up the program right here. DJ Sean. You know, just let the loan officers out there know they got to grab the calls a little bit longer at Lisan. Tell them they got to grab all the information. Tony will step out in a bit. And I promise you, folks, Tony Shafiq will not leave this building until he speaks with everyone. And if Tony does not speak with you, you can call me directly here in the studios or call me on my cell, 914-484-LINK. I will be in the Manhattan office within the hour. However, I would like for you, seriously, folks, let today be that day. All right? Let today be that day. And hold on, folks. Hold on here. Link Up Media, hold, please. Okay. The phone lines are blazing like that here in the studios that I've actually got to be helping out. I would like for today to be the day. Let this afternoon be an afternoon where you just get information. I'm not appealing to you to say, jump on First Republic Mortgage Bankers and grab this rate and do this and all of that. No, I'm appealing to you to make the phone call and speak with a proficient, competent loan officer, like I always say every day, especially this one, with over a quarter of a century of experience in the mortgage business. You need to speak one-on-one with him. Just get some information from him, get the education, and then you can make your move and your decision whether or not you want to purchase or refinance. Find out if they're truly the ones who are giving you the lowest possible interest rate. Get everything from them. Once again, folks, First Republic Mortgage Bankers, they do for me, they can do for you. Tony Shafiq, one of the individuals that I love speaking with on the airwaves. One of the individuals, when people call me up externally, I simply say to them, call up Tony Shafiq. One of the individuals that I transfer calls directly from our business to his extension. Tony Shafiq is the name. The number is 718-324. Well, you can call that number, seeing that the other line is busy. 718-324-LINK, 718-324-5465, or 718-325-5555. We have other loan officers, such as John Fahim and Fitzroy Cummings and Rajan and Sandy, okay, all over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers now. Yes, you can call them at 718-380-0006, but I've got Tony Shafiq right here, man. He's an executive vice president. He's here in the building, and I want you to come with all of your questions. Every single question. As a matter of fact, call up your friends and your family members and ask them all the questions that they would like to ask of this man. And then you get on the phone and speak with him and ask him about all the questions and write them down. Or if you want him to write them down and get them to you, he will do that. 718-325-5555. Call that number, speak with the loan officer. And remember this, folks, if you're listening to this conversation and you're not involved in real estate, that's an injustice to you. You're not doing what's right for you. So make the ring to 718-325-5555. Whether that be buying yourself a house or refinancing, you need to make that move. Okay? Just even call to find out if you can get a better rate. 718-325-5555. Tony Shafiq, I'm going to have you top it off.
Absolutely. One of the weaknesses in our community today, people are fearful to call because they think to themselves they have a low FICO score or poor credit. But this can all be corrected at First Republic Mortgage Bank. We have the technology, the human resources, the connection, and the capacity to work direct with Score Plus and the credit agency to help you to get your score wherever they have to be, because not all programs need zero score or no credit. The government-backed program is so flexible, it would accept poor credit, no score, whatever.